Hi there, I'm Rishabh from Yoda Learning Solutions, and people have been quite glad to see our videos on Excel and PowerPoint and macros, and they have come up with a lot of queries with respect to word shortcut keys and tricks as well. So I'm not going to discuss word shortcut keys that relate to making the text bold and italics that we have been doing since ages. What I've done is prepared a quick list of very important shortcut keys and tricks which I believe even people who are working with Word documents since last 2 decades can make use of, and for them it will be new. Let's see some of the tricks. So it'll be a very fast walkthrough across some of the very selected shortcut keys. Let's see. First, I need some random text on my screen. So rather than writing something like this and show my keyboard shortcut skills, I write equal to RAND bracket open close and enter. Depending on the version of the word that you are using, your text might be different than that of mine, but both of us will get the random text. Isn't it fascinating? That was our first trick. Now, the second trick. I wish to change some of the font to a higher font size. Now we go to home and then we go to this increase font and then make use of it. Instead, I use Ctrl third bracket or Ctrl square bracket closed to increase the font size. It's a very fast way to do that because I don't want that if you are on mailing tab, then you choose the text, you go to home and then click on this. Instead, on the contrary, I can choose the text and press Ctrl third bracket open to reduce the font size. Next trick. Quite often it happens that you wish to copy some text from a PDF document, correct? So I downloaded this small pocketbook guide on Ind AS, Indian Accounting Standards, from PricewaterhouseCoopers website. It's a publicly available document. In fact, it's a very quick snapshot of very important circulars and Indian accounting standard guidelines, which if you are from accounting background and in Indian context, you might want to refer to this. So I'm going to copy this particular text, and let's say I want to refer to this in one of my documents. So I copy this, but the point is when I go ahead and try to paste it, you notice it appears in half sentences, and you would have noticed this in a lot of other PDF documents as well. So what we resort to is press delete and then go to the end of the statement, again press delete and again press delete. So doing that is a very time consuming exercise. Now let me show you how can this be done in an automated manner. First, I'll quickly show you the trick and then I will show you the logic behind that trick. So I choose this text right before the end of this small dot. Ctrl H, that is what activates find and replace. I go to more button, I go to special, and there is something called paragraph mark. I'm going to click on that and then I might simply say replace all. Do you want to search the remainder of the document? I say no, but in the background what happened? Notice it is exactly what I was looking for. Now, how did it happen? Let me give you the logic now. If I go to Home tab and click on this paragraph mark, notice I click on this and this gives me this sign which is invisible and cannot be printed out. What you do when you press delete and space, you're actually deleting the paragraph mark. So there is no keyboard key which actually replicates the paragraph mark. However, right now as we saw, Ctrl H, the more and the special button allows me to replicate this to the power P, which is a proxy for paragraph mark. And using this trick, if you want to add a space between the two texts, you can, or not in context of this document, and then say replace all. And do you want to search the remainder of the document? No, I just want this to be done for one paragraph. So it's a very fascinating trick. You will love it, and try this when you're working with the next PDF document. So I'll come with the series 2 of this word trick very soon. Till then, practice these tricks so far. I hope you enjoyed our YouTube videos, and I really appreciate that if you could subscribe to our videos, which will also encourage me to give more such videos in the times to come. And you can also watch some of our popular programs which have been liked by a lot of viewers. See you soon.